Now we need to create a character or someone or something that the hero is to retrieve or to find, right? So let's first thing we do is come over to advanced right here. We scroll down and come to function, and we're gonna make a function, and we will just call it random spawn. Okay. All right, so it is here, and we just find a space and pull it out right here, so it is nice, uh, free area. So what this does is we need to place the for example, right now I have this hero that is a prince or soldier. So most likely, I might want to put a princess, or I might want to put a dog that it needs to retrieve, or a monkey, right? Or it might be a gem. All right. So whatever it is, but you don't want it to be the same place every time. Otherwise, it's the game will get boring because every time you play it, it's just the same place. So we want it to be popping up at random places. Now, that's why we created this function. So next thing, we want to set another sprite, and this sprite will be our um, whoever that we need to find. So this one, you can call it. We can leave it as my sprite 2, or you can change it if you want. You can go ahead and rename the variable. Um, I will just rename the variable to because I plan to put a princess. So I'll put princess. And now I need to go click in the character. And you can either draw your own, or you can go to gallery, or maybe the knight need to find a pizza. I don't know. It's your story. So I quite like this one. So I'm gonna to find the um, the sprite, and this one I am thinking. I will call it actually. I will instead of calling it a player, I'll call it as a food. Okay, because it is basically if me the character touches the princess, then I acts like I'm like it is something that is getting eaten. So because it disappears. Okay, so acts like a food. So and then I will place it. This one I'll go to scene, and I'll place it somewhere random. So we look for something that says random. Uh, where is it? Random. So, oh, here it is. So it says tile map operations. Place my sprite on top of random right here. So this one, place it right there, and not my sprite. It is princess to random anywhere on the gravel. Okay, so we have that part done, but we need to tell it to because that is just a function that we have created, but we have not tell the program to actually run the function. So we need to run the function now. So we go down to function, and we'll call random spawn. So, and this one, I will actually just have to put it somewhere underneath the tile map right here. So this is fine, or right here is fine. So anywhere around here is fine. So now let's take a look at the map, and we don't see Oh, oh. All right, let's just do this again, and let's see if we can find the princess. Ah, here it is. So you see, this time it is here. So if we run it again, next time it will be somewhere else. You see, it's not here anymore. So where it is your guess is as good as mine. So we just gotta look around and look for it, because I've made this map so big, so it's more difficult to. Oh, here it is this time. So done.